Corn is something that we usually tend to make a lot, but when it comes to baby corn, we don't make too many dishes. It's a very sweet and crunchy vegetable. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make baby corn Manchurian. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So I have about 400 grams of baby corn that's cut up into small pieces. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Maida. And 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Season this with a little salt and pepper. So I'm just going to toss everything together. I'm just going to pour a little water. All the baby corn pieces are coated with the Maida corn flour mixture. Set this aside, heat some oil for deep frying the baby corn pieces. Gently drop the baby corn pieces into the hot oil. Once the baby corn is fried to a nice golden brown color, remove them and keep them aside. Take a pan, add a little oil, add a little garlic, a little ginger, add 1 medium-sized onion wedges, half capsicum cut into wedges, next add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So I'm using a light soy sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, to this add a few spring onion whites. So we've made a sauce for the baby corn Manchurian. Now add the fried baby corn. You can see it's coating the vegetable beautifully. Once it's all completely coated, add a few spring onion greens. Turn off the stove and season it with some freshly ground pepper. So adding to all the other Manchurian dishes that I have done, here is another Manchurian dish, that's baby corn Manchurian, which kids will definitely enjoy. It's a great starter, so make sure you serve it hot. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.